What is up, guys? Good morning. It's a beautiful day today, and today I'm about to go on a quick little ride. I'm actually going to go pick up some Vance Hines twin slash slip-ons for the lowrider. One of the viewers, his name is Brian, he's actually hooking me up with a really good deal. So I'm going to go pick those up, throw them on the bike, and see how they sound. I hope the slip-ons fit in this bag right here. I have one too. Nice. Nice to meet you, man. I'm Tim. Thanks, man. Dude, it's a nice setup right here, man. Sick. Oh, dude, that's perfect. Dude, it's nice, man. That's perfect. All right, what's up, guys? Looks like the slip-ons fit in this bag perfectly. Also got to meet Brian. He's a really cool dude, and his Lowrider S is set up real nice. I love the risers he put on there. And his Two Brothers exhaust sounded really nice. Alright, guys, really excited. I got the twin slash slip-ons, and I'm really excited to put these on and have a little different sound on the Lowrider. It was nice meeting up with one of the viewers of the channel, Brian. Looking forward to going on future rides. I was surprised at how comfortable his pullbacks were. It makes me really want to consider getting pullbacks. Mission accomplished. Picked up these slip-ons. Thank you again, Brian. I really appreciate you hooking me up with a good deal. And I'm really excited to throw these bad boys on. It's the Vance Hines twin slash. Boom. Oh man, really excited, guys. I'm gonna let these pipes cool off and then we'll come put these bad boys on. Alright, guys, so the pipes have cooled off, so I'm gonna uninstall these. I won't be doing a full install video. There's plenty of good YouTube videos on how to fully install some slip-ons, but it should be pretty straightforward. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take these pipes off. Alright, guys, so these bolts right here were not easy to take off with only this tool. So yeah, I suggest getting a better tool, but turn by turn I was able to get these bolts off. I got one of these off. Alright, guys, got the bottom one off. Super dirty. Alright, guys, so this is the Vance Hines twin slash. This is going to be the bottom one, I believe. Oh my god, that was hard. Alright, guys, time to put on the last piece. Alright, so I was dumb and I wasn't twisting it right. So if you get the right twist, you push it in, it should slide in easy. If it's hard for you to shove in, then you're probably have it at the wrong angle. So I just twisted a little bit and it slid right in. Alright guys, well thank you for tuning in to another episode. I hope you enjoyed the sound of those Vance Hines slip-ons. I'm really liking them so far. I took them out on my first commute to work. They're really loud. Even with my earplugs on, they're way louder than the stock exhaust, and they have a nice little rumble to it. So I would definitely recommend some slip-ons if you're looking for an affordable way to get that Harley sound. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing this weight vest. Well, since this whole lockdown, the gym's been closed and I actually really enjoy working out. And I've been slipping up these last few weeks and not really working out. I ordered some equipment to exercise at home. My weight vest came in, and I'm also waiting on some adjustable dumbbells. But I want to try something different in the future and start introducing some workout videos. For right now, who knows when the gym's going to be open again. So I'm going to start trying out and experimenting different workouts for at home and giving you feedback to how effective they are. So if you guys are interested in that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And until then, you guys stay safe out there. I'll catch you later. Peace.